How to remove TikTok Shop from profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to remove TikTok Shop from your profile if you no longer want it displayed on your account. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy. If you have a TikTok shop, you can go to Creator Tools and tap on TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you don't have it like me, then you won't be able to see it. But if you do, I think you will find it around here. And you just have to click on it. From here, you can either unlink your shop or deactivate your seller account. If you want a full removal, you can log into the TikTok Shop Seller Center on your browser, go to Account Settings, and request Store Deactivation. Once done, your shop will be removed from your profile. Let me know if this helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!